It's been close to 2 months since I've been back at the wheel. Guys, how are you? Gonna try something today. Yes. Not so bad, not so uncomfortable. It's just that it's not like when you're normal, just pop in and pop out. But this time, sorry, shouldn't use pop in and pop out. That's a bad word, especially for a knee. Normally, I would just walk in, walk out easily, but have to be extra cautious. Luckily, with this car, I can increase the seat height. I can pull the seat completely back and have the steering up front. So this car has this feature. So I can pull. It has a telescopic steering wheel. So I just went out for a short drive because the car came back from the service center and just wanted to test it out, and it was decently comfortable. Had no requirement to use my left knee. It's an automatic car if you're new to the channel. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell icon for instant notifications. I'm gonna go for a short drive, get some coffee because I've been missing some nice Starbucks coffee for a while. And also need to replace the battery in this key. So we'll be going to the mall. Let's go. That's the warning I've been getting. Been waiting to drive for a long time. If you have similar injury, this is strictly prohibited. Please don't do this at home or outside or anywhere. I'm not putting any burden on my knee because even when I'm braking, I'm using my right leg. If you have an automatic, you are supposed to keep your left leg completely to the left and not use it. It's only the right leg that operates the brake and the accelerator. So in that sense, I'm using only my right leg and there's literally no pressure on the left leg. That being said, it's only going to be a short half an hour drive, and so I'm not putting much stress. I have a small knee brace on. A lot of you keep asking me why I've kept my channel name as I Guru Crazy. Now you know, like finishing the late trip after my toe injury and then finishing Sikkim trip after my knee injury. And these were injuries that happened when I was going on my way to the trip very early on. So you need to have some grit. In that sense, I'm not boasting, but I'm saying most of the people would probably return back, but I didn't. Not that I'm proud of it, it's just that I want to finish something that I start. That's the message that I want to convey. I don't want to convey recklessness. That's not what I am. I don't want to mislead you guys or anything. I just want to say that I keep pushing if I believe in something and I want to pursue it. Just like vlogging, the more and more I do, I'm enjoying. If you're new to this channel, if you wonder why driving a car with a knee brace is such a big challenge, you should catch up on the previous videos and subscribe if you like this video. And let me know in the comment section. I'm excited to be back at the wheel. Just gonna go to Forum Mall, get the battery and head back home. Nothing much, maybe some coffee. So apparently I have to wait 1 hour to get the battery. The lady who controls the box where the batteries are kept is not there. For now I'm just heading to Starbucks coffee to get a coffee. Free coffee though. Just got my coffee. Unfortunately I have to wait for at least an hour to get the battery for the remote. So I'll chuck it and maybe get it through someone else or order it online. Yeah, we got a big surprise coming for you guys. It's among the group. It'll be quite a surprise. So you'll probably know it by the end of this. Stay tuned. And if you have any guesses, put it in the comment section. So we'll do a guess game. Make a guess. What's the surprise?
Surprise that I'm starting a new YouTube channel about aviation.
Surprise. New parts on Suju's bike.
We got foam legs inside the tires. We got this.
So this part, spacer. Why?
Long technical question. Cheppalante, I started reading many blogs, many online pages. Then they said this cracks a lot. So having that $50 fender extender will solve the issue.
అంటే ఈ పార్ట్ కూడా బాగా కాస్ట్లీయే.
2500 rupees for that plastic.
For that bike we couldn't still find one.
Ordered.
I had a chance to take the car out, so decided to go visit Rohit in the afternoon and chill for a while. watched the cricket match. Heading back home now.
Few moments later.
Had some fun at Rochi's place for a short while. They're busy with some function, so decided to get back home. Anyway, there's going to be traffic at Balnagar Boinpalli to my home in Kukatpalli. So decided to come home early. And while driving back, I was just thinking about the latest trend that's happening in automobiles, especially cars. It's the electric trend. And when I think about it, I actually go back a few years to a discussion that I had with my roommate way back in 2010. That was when I was in US. That's when I first heard about Tesla. It was a new concept entirely. Many people wrote it off, but then look where Tesla is now. But what me and my roommate discussed was about how India skips few technologies. Like in India, we had landlines and then we went to mobiles. We skipped the cordless technology, cordless phones. That was a big thing in Western markets. And we went from cash to mobile wallets. We skipped the entire credit card revolution. I mean, we had credit and debit cards, but the percentage of usage across majority of the population is very less. So if you think about it, we leapfrogged one generation of technology, be it in telephones or money. And now I think we're leapfrogging another technology called hybrid technology. We are going from internal combustion engines to directly electric. We're skipping hybrid. Hybrid technology was a big thing in US, in Western markets, like Toyota Prius is one example. We had few hybrid cars last year, but now it's mostly electric, guys. Now in the next 1 month, 2 electric car launches. We had one in 2018 or 19, Hyundai Kona. I was pretty excited about, but the price was too high. It is like an elite i20 active or a venue segment car with a price tag of almost a executive sedan. So it didn't make much sense, and there were hardly any rebates, at least in Andhra Pradesh. That is something I still don't get. You want to promote green and cleaner electricity and power sources, but we don't offer good rebates for electric cars yet here in Telangana and Andhra to some extent, yes. I think they have registration fees are waived, if I'm not wrong. In Maharashtra is one of the best states in that they have, I think, the ex-showroom price literally becomes the on-road price. All of the fees are waived off. Karnataka is decent to some extent, but I say if India is serious about electric cars, I think they are now seeing how manufacturers are launching electric vehicles quite fast. I think we'll have at least 4 to 5 electric vehicles, major vehicles from major OEMs, original equipment manufacturers like Maruti Suzuki, Honda, Hyundai, Tata, Mahindra in this year. So that's a big thing. And a lot of people are accepting them. Like MG ZS EV has 2,700 bookings before even the price was launched. Like 2,700 for a 20 lakh vehicle. That's nuts. I've been thinking of electric cars, maybe replace both my cars and just have one. Soon I'm gonna have the entire electricity in my home powered by solar system. And it is cheap because excess solar power generated would be fed back to the grid, and that's where you get some rebate. So technically I might end up paying just 100-200 rupees every month compared to maybe 2,000 to 3,000 rupees on average. So that's a good amount of savings, at least 30,000-40,000 rupees in savings. It would cost me roughly 90,000, so I'm expecting returns in about 3 to 4 years, so decent amount of time. And once I have electric vehicles and my entire house electricity from solar or renewable source of energy, I think that would make me pretty happy, and it's worth the investment, not just for the savings in the home, but also just have those clean and green vehicles. And one vehicle that's exciting me is actually the Nexon EV. For the price and the range, it's going to be at least 3 to 5 lakhs cheaper than the MG ZS EV. I mean, ZS EV is better in quality, has more features, but at the core of it, the driving range and the performance is almost like 90% on par with ZS EV, and you end up saving 5 lakhs. And if Telangana, Andhra Pradesh announces any rebates on that, that would be amazing because the price comes down much closer to a ICE vehicle. So in that sense, that is one vehicle I'm excited about. ZS EV, I think if you put 3-4 more lakhs more, you get the Kona, which has 450 kilometers of range versus the ZS EV, which has only 340. So in that sense, you're getting 100 more kilometers. So in that sense, I think Kona is a better buy, and Hyundai is a more trusted brand. So don't fall for that attractive pricing by MG, but it's decent seeing how the interest is. Let's see how it goes. Oh, by the way, tomorrow I have an interesting maybe first view or test drive coming up. It's an electric vehicle. You'll see it in probably the next video. Anyway, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed this video, and catch you guys in the next one, and look forward to driving more for now and maybe riding in the next 3 weeks, 4 weeks. Let's see how the physio goes, because whenever the physio comes, those 10 minutes are like, oh man, and the pain is excruciatingly tough. But you gotta do. For now, I'm able to bend my knee up to 90 degrees, but I need to get it at least till here. So that's the status on my leg, and yeah, catch you guys soon. Okay, see you around. Bye bye.